Funderland, and Gerald's come to join us as well. This is the final day of Funderland, so he decided to join us, wanted to join us, and he's excited. It's his first time saying, well, what year, what was the last year you were here? What was the last year that you were at Funderland? What year was it that you were here last?
January 2020.
2020, the year of COVID. So he has to be here since the year of COVID, so that was nearly
6 years.
nearly 6 years. It was 6 years this year.
Yeah.
6 years.
6 years this year. That's a very long time. Very long time. 6 years is a very long time to come to Funderland. So how do you feel back? Excited?
Sorry, go on.
Excited?
Yes.
You're excited?
Yes.
Okay, so you know what ride you want to go on first?
Huh?
What ride you want to go on first? You want to go indoors first or do you want to stay out here for a few minutes?
I don't care.
You don't mind?
I don't care.
Okay, so which side do you want to go on? Over there's the crazy house. There's the crazy house. Then you go to the crazy house over there. That's the roller coaster that you're on. That's the one that you're on before, roller coaster.
No, I think I remember.
Point to the roller coaster.
I think I remember that it was bigger than that.
Bigger than that. Bigger was the indoor or outdoor?
It was outdoor. That's the same one. That's it there. You should go in and give him a go on that now.
That's the same. That's the same one, is it?
Yeah, it's the same one. I think it's the same one. I think it is.
Yeah.
And I think Liam would be alright with it. We could go on the big wheel.
Yeah, big wheel. Yeah, we'll go on big wheel.
Would you like that?
Yeah, yes, thank you. Oh.
Head camera on there.
Huh?
A head camera.
Oh, head camera. You don't go on a ride. He's on a ride.
I'm going to get a shot of the brides with my head camera.
No.
Liam, just put my head camera on.
Pause this.
No, leave it on.
Can't do both.
Shabby, would you hold on to the camcorder for a minute?
Hold that.
To there?
Yeah, point to that right.
Sure.
That's it.
Liam, just one time over here. Liam.
I would really like to go on the big wheel first. Okay.
Started now, started yet. Okay. Well, you see the lights, right?
You're on?
Yes, it's on.
Okay. This is Sunday, the 11th of January 2026. This is for Funderland now. We're pushing on the head camera now. We're going to go on the big wheel. Big wheel now. Chavez joined us and Dirty joined us. And then the head camera on again. So we're pushing to the big wheel. And there's one of the big rides here, one of the outrage. I can put this, yeah. Oh, this is in my hair, like I can push up the ride.
Could you hold it again? Could you hold it again, Liam?
Yeah.
So I aim my head and I'll get good shot at that wheel.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Yeah.
Not too high, too high. Just look at it, you look normally.
And you look.
We head up a bit to look normally.
Like that?
Yeah.
They're flying upside down.
Yeah, I see that, yeah. We're late, ma'am. We're late. I booked you on that ride, we're a bit late, we gotta get going.
So I get 6 hours with this now. I get the 6 hours with this now. I don't even know no lights on.
Yeah, well,
I get 6 hours with this.
6 hours, yeah, one like that, yeah.
Okay, you want to go on the big wheel?
Okay, big wheel.
Okay, let's go big wheel.
Okay,
I could get
Mum, we're going to big wheel.
camera now.
Pause video.
Sorry?
Pause video.
What, Tanya? Please say it again.
I'm going to go on the big wheel first. And you're going to get great view. You're going to get great footage on the big wheel. You're going to get great view of the whole of Funderland. Yeah.
Wow.
All right?
Wow! The big, Tanya, we're going to get a big view of one.
The Funderland. I get the first of your mum and you, won't I?
Yeah.
I guess the first is just some of the rides here.
Sure.
That ride's called All Around the World. This one here is called All Around the World.
Which one?
This one here.
That one?
Yeah, it's called All Around the World.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the big wheel there now. And it's called Heart of Hope. It's got Heart of Hope written on it.
Sure.
I'm definitely not going on that ride over there. There is.
Huh?
That ride over there. I will never go on that ride over there.
Me either.
You right, darling? Yeah. Darling, come on. We're going on the wheel first, okay? And darling.
Yeah.
Well, I could get great view of my head camera. That's the this is the roller coaster that you were on, Xavier.
Yeah.
This called Crazy Mouse. It's called Crazy Mouse.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one you were on 6 years ago, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah. Do you want to go on that ride again?
I would like to think about it first. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Where's Liam gone? I was just asking Liam. I was just asking Shabby would you like to go on that ride again? I was just asking Shabby would you like to go on that ride again? And he said you think about it.
Yeah. Well, we're going to the big wheel.
Yeah, go on the big wheel first.
Our other couple of friends are these people, I don't know, you can't seem to agree. The only people.
This is the wheel here now.
Okay, so what?
Exactly.
And the wheel goes around 3 times.
What?
It goes around 3 times.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Are you going down as well?
Charlie, you can go get great view on this. You get great view and it goes around 3 times. The wheel goes around 3 times, yeah.
Oh, you go on. You're ahead of us. But after me.
There's one box, right? €10 each. 5.
Happy New Year.
on, George. Hey, will you film with the camcorder?
Huh?
Will you film with the camcorder?
Yeah, you hold for the time being.
Name it. It's still recording?
Yeah, still recording.
Now I keep my head down like I got footage now of the. If I just keep my head down, I get all this, yeah?
Yeah.
Take out your
See? Yeah, she got it all there.
I had it on this man, but she said to
Can you see the lens? Can you see the lens?
Yeah, see that.
What's on my lens?
You're funny or that's it.
Am I guessing the wheel, yeah?
Yeah.
And hopefully the picture comes out better outside than it does inside because it doesn't come out so good indoors for some reason. And my voice will become a very, my voice comes out terrible. It comes out very muffled on this camera for some reason. You hold the camera?
Hang on. The man will give us a cabinet in a minute.
Keep the camera up, David. Don't be slimming the ground.
It's going up the left side.
Yeah, right.
Will I get all three of you?
Yeah, here you go.
You sure? Will I get all three of you?
You want to get on now? Get on now.
Will I get all three of you in my camera? Yeah, I will.
Thank you. Oh.
I get all three of you in my camera. My camera, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
What? Yeah, come on in.
Oh, sorry, Liam.
Sorry.
Are you sure this is open?
Yeah, sure. It's very sedate, man. There's no fear involved in this one. It's just a good view. That's all it is. A good view. Okay. Enjoy the view. You'll see Houghton, you'll see Bray and all. And the mountains over this direction. There's Xavier. Hello, Xavier.
Hi, Liam.
There you go.
Am I getting a good view here, yeah?
Yeah, you're good. Well, there's a bit of rain on the oak, you know. Other than that, it's...
Am I getting all of us?
Yeah, you're good. Yeah. Should be.
You might get where you live.
You might, yeah.
I'll keep my head down and get all of you, yeah?
We're going up straight ahead from over there to the left.
Yeah. We hold that.
Sure.
Thank you. I'm going to get a photograph of you there.
Sure.
Clapping, put the camera out the window, you can get a good view.
Out the window.
Go out the window.
Sure.
Go out the window to get a good view of the whole Funderland. But I get a view in my head camera. I can get a view in my camera.
It's a rainy day in Dublin today. Xavier, say hello.
Hi, Liam.
There you go. Bam, say hello.
Hi there. Hi.
Oh, Tanya, smile. Smile, Mom. There you go.
Look at the slide, Jeffy. Behind. See, it's the water coming down.
Yes.
stop. Bring that stop.
I'll stop. Yeah.
Because this is not waterproof.
Yeah. I know.
Do you hold?
So like I could view
Perfect.
now.
Huh?
If I can get this view here now.
Yeah, you should. Yeah.
Okay, I'll keep my head down and get all of you, yeah?
Yeah. See the mountains in the distance. See the mountains over there. Just about. Grey shape.
We're on the big wheel, folks. Filming on my new head camera. There, this is my head camera.
Over here, you have to dump them out.
Yeah.
over this
Yeah.
side.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
You need to get the wheel, the rides there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at this. Shelby, look at the right here.
Look at the ride there, look at the ride there, Shelby. Look at the ride. There, look. There, Shelby.
Where,
there, look.
Tanya?
There, look.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can down there. There, this one here. Link.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
This one here.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah. I got it a minute ago. Yeah.
I get out of my camera.
I've been on the big wheel before to Lima and Tanya.
Have you really? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Whereabouts in Barcelona?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
There's a crazy man over there, look. The roller coaster there, look.
Yeah.
They're joining the behind you, they're joining the roller coaster. Well, if I put my head down, I guess all that, will I? The roller coaster.
Yeah.
At least see the lens when I'm filming, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
But what am I filming now?
It's almost directly the same as your eyesight. When you look straight ahead, just look straight ahead, you'll be fine. Not so much scenery today. It's a bit wet. It's a bit wet. You know, the scenery's better on other days. You know.
Don't worry, you're a bit late. So.
Are you enjoying it, darling?
Yeah.
It's a nice view, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the car parked down there.
I can see our car. Can I see our car?
All over, yeah. The city.
Look, Liam, I see the sea.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
See the distance, you see the sea, look.
Yeah.
There, you see the sea.
And those two big chimneys, where are they?
Rings End. You know the ones.
End, though,
Yeah.
We passed by.
What's that? What's that thing
That's
there?
RTE.
RTE, is it?
Yeah.
Where,
Over there.
oh, yeah, the big spike.
The big spike. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the mast.
Did you say that RT's closing?
There's diggers. I went past it the other day. There's diggers in the compound. They're digging it up. RTE.
Yeah, that's what they're always doing. You know. It's progressing.
Yeah. I see. There was talk in the papers about moving it somewhere
Tanya,
else.
we're high now.
Yeah.
Think how much
Enjoying
money
it?
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, great time, yeah.
Think how much money
Yes.
that land must be worth. In the middle of the Balls Bridge, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Donnybrook.
We should go the view. Go to London.
When we got our TV first, and I was about 15 or
Oh,
around
dear.
that,
Yeah, you do.
it was closed. I think the 10 o'clock RT closed about 10:30 or something. And the national anthem came on then.
We're going out. That's it.
Time to get out now.
Yeah.
Oh, you're walking on my toe, Liam! My toe! Jesus, I'm walking on my toe.
Go on, you go now.
Liam,
Tanya, he didn't mean to. It was an accident.
what?
He didn't mean to step on your toe.
I know.
It was an accident.
I know. How many mess? Funny mess.
Sure.
Thank you.
There you go.
Huh? Yeah.
So, yeah.
What
This
are
way,
you
this
now?
way. Pause video. Say goodbye to him for the time being.
See you now. Dad, what you go on next?
Pardon?
What you want to go on next?
Can I think about it?
Yeah.
How about crazy? How about a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or something? And then we go on a ride.
Can I think about it
Think about it, you have a
for
cup of tea, yeah.
for a few minutes?
Yeah.
Perfect.
you are, yeah, here you go.
So like how long push than this on the camcorder?
Yeah, about, yeah.
No, I mean longer push.
More?
Longer than camcorder.
I'd say so, the same anyway. At least the same, more, maybe more, yeah.
How long to get to the camcorder?
50, about an hour on the camcorder. That's 6 hours.
This is longer.
Yeah. Say goodbye, go on.
Okay, so we're going to go inside.
Cup of tea now.
Cup of tea where?
Maybe outside.
Let's have a cup of tea indoors.
Okay, we're going indoors.
We go indoors for the moment, folks, okay?